I'm sorry, I can't right now. I'm sorry, I can't right now because I'm with somebody else. I'm not in love with that person, but I am with them. This person doesn't show me any love. There is no emotional connection, but there is a logical one. It makes sense to be with this person. I see you as beautiful, independent, successful, abundant. I love the way you look, the way you dress, the way you move, the way you carry yourself. You're intelligent, you're well read, you're well spoken. And I think about you a lot. You're a completely different energy to the person that I'm with. If I was to choose you, the people around me would not be okay with it. It would cause a lot of conflict with my family, with friends, with work. Two of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. I think about you so much, it gives me stress and anxiety about what to do about it. I keep going back and forth about our meetings, about when we see each other, when we connect, about what I should do. I'm in a constant state of to and fro, back and forth, to and fro, back and forth. I'm gonna cry. I choose you. I will choose you. I just have to take that step. I have to be brave enough to stop avoiding it, stop running from it, and really take that step towards you, because you give me hope. You light up my life. You are the sunshine in my day. That's how you make me feel. I feel love and warmth and connection and happiness when I think about you. You are everything that I don't have in my life. My life is quite bleak at the moment. I'm a little bit lost. You're everything. You're the divine feminine. You're amazing. You're everything I could wish for and want for. I would like to marry you. I would like to have a business with you. I would like to have the family with you. I would like to have a house with you. These are my dreams that one day we can achieve, and we will achieve. First of all, I've got to be strong enough to set myself free of this mental prison that I'm in. It's hard for me to do that, but I'm strong, and I will. Wait for my message.